it off pretty easy. I like them. You want to take the bird beard challenge? Think you can do it? Are you tough? You're not scared? Don't be afraid, alright? Bite this right here. Bite the stick. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Don't let go. Hold it tight.
Hold it tight, Abraham.
Hold it tight. Oh, you dropped it. Oh,
I would do that. You see what he did? He put it in his mouth.
Last one. Try this. Take a bite.
Bite it hard, Abraham.
Hold it tight. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go. Put your chin up. Put your chin up. There you go. That's the bird beard challenge.